In 2021, Auckland has been in lockdown for 3 months. That was hard and stressful for everyone. I hope 2022 brings us health, wealth, and happiness. We made a holiday plan early this year before the lockdown. We were not sure if we'd make it because of the Delta outbreak. We finally made it. Our road trip has started. We departed Auckland on Christmas Eve, non-stop driving to Wellington to catch the Inter-Islander ferry, crossing the Cook Strait and arriving in Picton at midnight. That was unbelievable. Our plan is to explore the upper part of the South Island, including a sailing holiday in Queen Charlotte Sound as well. We will be traveling around Marlborough region, Westport, Greymouth, Lewis Pass to Hanmer Springs, Kaikoura, Blenheim and Picton to catch the Islander ferry again. We didn't forget Farewell Spit, that was worth visiting, up the windy mountain roads. That was amazing. I've already made a video about Picton and the teaser for our 2022 holiday adventure. See what is next in today's video. Enjoy! On the way to Westport, we've come here to see the waterfall. Maruia Falls is one of the few white river waterfalls in New Zealand that we were able to experience somewhat closely from its bottom. The other waterfall in this category is Rokawa Falls on the North Island, but that one only lets you see the falls from a distance. There is another waterfall that came to my mind in this category is Manavgat Waterfalls in Antalya, Turkey. There is a warning, it could be dangerous to swim here. This one is a little bit different. It's very strong, powerful flow, and it looks like a Manavgat in Turkey. It's like not like a vertical, it's like a horizontal, and some people swim here, but it's a warning. It could be dangerous. I think in winter or springtime all these rocks covered with water, maybe flooded. At summertime this part the stones are dry. Now I'll show you the top of the waterfall. It's a big drop, I think maybe at least 10 meters. So the water is very powerful. You can see the steams.